Hello everyone, myself Lakhanarga, student of JNKV College of Agriculture, Riva. Today I am present my topic characteristics of good quality seeds and under guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. Characteristics of good quality seeds. Introduction. Seed quality is defined as virility pure with high germination percentage, free from disease and disease organism, and with a proper moisture content and weight. Quality seeds ensures good germination, rapid emergency, and various growth. Classes of quality seeds. Rice. Take seed classes. White take breeder seeds produced from uniform panicles nucleus seeds. Red take foundation seeds produced from breeder seeds. Green take registered seed produced from foundation seeds. Blue take certified seed produced from registered seed. The different seed and grain. It should be variable, not not variable. It should have maximum genetic and physical purity. No so. Should satisfy minimum seed certification. No such requirement. Trade with pesticide, fungicide to protect seed against store pest and fungi. No trade with any chemicals science used for compaction. Respiration rate and other physiological and biological process should be kept at low level during storage. No such of suffocation. Production is technically organized. No so. It should satisfy all the seed quality attributes. No need. Benefits of using quality seeds. First, they are genetically pure, true to type. Second, the good quality seeds has high return per unit area as the genetically potential of the crop can be full exploited. Third, less infestation of land with weed seed, other crop seed. Fourth, less disease and insect problem. Fifth, minimization of seedling rate. First, and uniform emergency of seedling. 6. They are various free from pest and disease. 7. They can be adopt themselves of interest climate condition and cropping system location. 8. The quality seed respond will to the applied fertilizer and nutrients. 9. Uniform in plant population and maturity. 10. Crop seed with quality seed are aesthetically pleasing. 11. Good seed prolongs life of variety. 12. Yield production is easy. 13. Headline in post harvest operation will be as 14. Preparation of finished produce are also better. 15. High products value and their marketable. Securing seeds. Two-way securing seeds to plant. You can buy seeds from seed stores or under from reliable source. You can produce your one seed to plant. Factor to consider in secures your seed to plant. Varieties should be adapted to your locality. Quality of the product. Advantage of producing your one seed. You shall have an every ready supply of seeds for your farm. Second, high percentage of germination in assured. Third, improvement of quality and quality of product is possible. Disadvantage of production your seed. Seed growing is an exacting work. Second, it competes with the normal work in the nursery management. Third, it calls for knowledge of the principle of plant breeding. It calls for keen observation. It requires close application of details. Selection of good quality seeds. This image damage free from seeds borne disease, free from mixture of other varieties with good vigorous and germination capacity,